Hello friends, and welcome back to another tutorial from SandraStitches. Stitch tutorial. Today we are going to be learning the silt stitch. Now look at this texture, and it's only made with double crochet and single crochet stitches, so it's a basic stitch combination, and I think it just makes such a beautiful texture where you have some double crochet rows and some bumps, little bumps with some clusters that go diagonal, as you can see. So I think it's really pretty. You can use it for any project that you want. Let's get started. But before we do, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new stitch tutorial or a new video to my channel. Let's go! For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using some weight 4 yarn and my 5mm hook, and let's see that we don't have any knots here. And where is the starting of this? Here we go. So we start with a slip knot, and this stitch pattern calls for multiples of 3. So you have to decide the width or the length of your project, and the foundation chain will be multiples of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's make one more. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you have multiples of 3, and then you'll be all good to start. Row number 1, we start with a double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook. We don't count the loop on the hook, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th chain, we work 1 double crochet. So the 3 chains that we skipped are our first stitch here, and this is our second stitch. And then we work 1 double crochet in each and every chain across. This is for row number 1. Now this stitch pattern, the silt stitch, is a 2-row repeat. Very simple, and this is the first, kind of the first row repeat. It's a double crochet row, but because it's a foundation row, I don't like to call it the row repeat, but you'll see what I mean later. So 1 double crochet in each and every stitch across to the end of your chain. 1 double crochet. You can pause the video, you can make it forward, to go to the end, whatever, so you can follow the rest of this tutorial. I like to do all the rows until the end. Okay, so this is my last double crochet. This is the first row for the silt stitch, the foundation row. Row number 2, which is the first row of the 2-row repeat. For me, you chain 1, you turn your work, and then we work in the first stitch from the hook. So in the very first stitch, we work 1 single crochet, and in the same stitch, we work 2 double crochet in the same spot, the same stitch, the first stitch from the hook. So 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same first spot. Then we skip 2, and in the third we go again, 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same spot. This is it. This is the first row repeat. Skip 2, 1, 2. In the third, 1 single crochet and 2 what's this not doing here? Let's open it. 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet, 2 in the same spot all the way across, and let's see what happens at the end. 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet in the same spot, and then when you reach the end of your row you will have 3 stitches. So this is 1, 2, and this is a chain 3 from the beginning. Remember I said it was our first stitch, so we work 1 single crochet in the chain 3, just 1 single crochet, and that's it. This is the end of row number 2, which I call it row number 1 for our 2 row repeat. Now row number 2 for the 2 row repeat is chaining 3 and turn your work, okay? And now you are going to work 1 double crochet on top of each stitch from the previous row. So we already have the chain 3 here, our first stitch. We go into the second stitch and we work 1 double crochet, and the next stitch, and the next stitch, don't forget you have a single crochet here. So, and also I really recommend to count your stitches after this row, so you know you have the same amount of stitches that you started with in the first row, so you know you're not increasing or decreasing the number of stitches, which will be very frustrating if you do and you find out later, and you will have to frog everything, okay? So once in a few rows, just count them and see that you are okay. So 1 double crochet on each stitch across, right? Can you see already the pattern? This is it. Row number 1 of the repeat, row number 2 of the repeat. So we go back to row number 1, chain 1, turn our work, and we work 1 single crochet in the first stitch from the hook and 2 double crochet in the same spot. 1, 2. We skip 2, 1, 2, and again 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and again 1, 2, 3, skip 2, 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same spot, 1, 2, 1, 2, skip 2 in the third, and we'll do our last one. Our last stitch will be 1 single crochet in the last stitch, 1, 2, don't forget we have this chain 3 here, 1 single crochet, chain 1, chain 3, sorry, this will be our first double crochet, turn our work, and start again row number 3, which is our second row repeat. It's just 1 double crochet all the way across. So let's make this 1 double crochet all the way across. Now I hope you're enjoying these stitch tutorials. I just want to tell you that I have a membership, a crochet membership. It's called the V-Stitch Club. It's new. It's 5 months, $5 a month. You get 2 exclusive patterns. You get 1 workbook, because we are all about crochet and wellness in our membership. So every month you have 1 workbook that is crochet related, but works on all kind of self-growth and development tactics that I talk about. And you also get, of course, a private Facebook group, and once a quarter we have a workshop where we learn something new. So if you're interested in joining us, which is amazing, and you have to join us, there is a link in the description box below of this video. It's called the V-Stitch Club. So this is the Silt stitch. Of course, I would love to see you there. But now we go back to our stitch tutorial. This is the Silt stitch. Look how beautiful it is. Look it in a different color. Of course, you can combine colors. You can make, I don't know, every 2 rows a different color, whatever you want. It depends on your project. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I will see you in our next stitch tutorial. Bye bye.